Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Flash messages are website push notifications appearing in your browser or app. They trigger whenever a site has permission to send alerts. You probably allowed notifications by tapping Allow on a prompt. They can come from one site or many, and they interrupt browsing and work. You can stop them quickly using browser permission controls, privacy settings, and site data cleanups. Follow a 3-step routine that takes about 2 minutes to block unwanted messages permanently. Open your browser settings and go to Notifications or Site Permissions. Look for a list of sites that currently have Allow permissions. Remove permission for each offending site by choosing Block or Remove. Next, clear site data and service workers for stubborn sites that keep sending messages. This removes background scripts that can re-register notifications. Finally, restart the browser to ensure changes take effect and confirm the site cannot send flash messages anymore. Install a reputable extension that blocks notification prompts and pop-ups in advance. On mobile devices, open App Info or Settings and disable notifications for specific apps. Consider enabling Do Not Disturb mode or schedule quiet hours for 15 minutes or longer during work. Regularly audit permissions in your browser or phone settings every few weeks to prevent reauthorization. Finally, avoid clicking Allow on unknown sites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.